Hey kids, today's lesson we're going to learn about how to read notes on a staff, okay? Kids, what is a staff? A staff is 5 lines. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a staff. And this is called what? Yes, it's a treble clef, and that signifies higher pitches, and it's usually going to the right. So for a reference of us reading notes, we're just going to stick with the treble clef. We're not going to use the whole grand staff. This is just the treble clef. So we know, kids, what is this note? You got it. It's middle C. And it's middle C here because it's in the middle, basically the middle of the keyboard, because you know it's the middle, because if you go to the right, your sounds get higher. And if you go to the left, your sounds get lower. So that means that you are right in the middle. This is middle C, okay? So now, how do we read music? Remember, these notes or these little circles will either be on a line or a space. So if we put this next circle on a line, that's a line note. Say line note. Right, and then we put this next circle on a line. Say line notes. Line notes. That means you're going to skip to get the next key. So if this is C, and every time you have a line note, that's a skip. What is a skip, Mr. Renee? That means you just jump over the next note or the next white key to get to the following one. So if this is C, a skip or a slide over the next key to the following one, that is E. All right. And then the next line note is a skip. You're going to skip over this note and you're on G. So these are the first 3 notes that we're going to just talk about is C, E, G, and they are line notes. Now there is a simpler way of understanding reading notes on a staff is by intervals. That means these are skips, but when the interval is the notes right beside it and you don't skip up or down, then it is the space note. So here is a space note. That is D because that's in the space, right? Miss Renee, how's that in the space? It's in the space because this line goes here. If I made it big enough, we know that's the space. That's that little space. We made a space for it. And so that's D. So step up, or right next to an E, is F, and F is in a space. That's the interval. That's the space note. Stay tuned for the next one.